This tutorial demonstrates how to load a data setup into your PowerSight analyzer from an SD card. I have loaded a data setup into the root directory of an SD card. The root directory is the bottommost directory. I've loaded the card in here. It's been recognized. It's synchronized. I just click on the setup key, and it asks if I want to load a data setup. I'll press yes. And here is the one tutorial, which is the one I want to load. I'll be pressing yes. If I didn't like it, I can press no. And it would tell you the next one on the card, but there is no other one. Search again, yes. We'll take tutorial. And it's loaded successfully. That's as simple as it is to get a data setup into your meter. A good thing to do is to have several of your favorite data setups for different types of monitoring situations on the root drive of your SD card, and that way they're all available right at the time that you're hooking up to choose the best one for you at that time.